Hello, Calc students. Welcome to your spring course, Calculus 1. As you know, this class is live online, but I wanted to give you a quick little rundown of what to expect with the online component. So if you notice, I'm in our Calc course right now. I will be putting this video here. So this is a video that you are going to watch before completing the requirements that I have set up for you. You'll notice that the course is set up into modules. We have module 0, which is getting started. These are all the pieces that you'll need to get through by Wednesday of next week. You notice the due dates are all given. On the left side of your Canvas course, you will see the course syllabus. That's something that you'll have to read, since there will be a acknowledgement that you've read it right here. And then there's a syllabus treasure hunt. Also, there is a personal biography discussion question. So you're going to read that, watch my little clip, and then you're going to reply with your own. That's all you have to do. Here's some little pieces in case you don't get a quiz to pop up on your Canvas app on your phone. And you also have to be familiar with how to create a PDF on your smartphone. There's some videos there and a quick little assignment to turn in that tells me that you know how to do this. Make sure when you complete this task that you try to create more than one page for this document. You can do it on hand, on a piece of paper. Just try to use up 2 pages, triple space it however you want, because you need to be able to upload one file with many pages, not just one file with one page. So anytime you get lost in how to get through the module, you can always hit home. But what will happen is when you're in a module, for example, in this welcome section, you'll notice at the bottom right of your screen, there will be a next button. That takes you to the next page, what we call pages. You complete, read whatever the task is on that page, and then next, and so on. Once you are done with the module, you won't be able to complete the next module until I release it. Typically that will happen once we have discussed and done homework questions in class. Typically these modules will be over a week basis, and you'll notice I will publish them as we complete them or as we are ready to complete them. For now, these are basically the items I need you to be aware of, in addition to setting up any office time with me. You're going to use this link on the left, the Cisco WebEx. You're going to click on that, and you'll notice at the very top of the screen, you'll have some options. Let me move my image. You want to select office hours. The office hours will give you an option when to sign up, and any one of these options is where you will select the time slot that works best for you. Once you select it, you will receive an email in your student email that tells you the time, the date, and the link to click on to attend the meeting. I will receive that email as well as yourself. So make sure you're familiar with that. If you have not used Cisco WebEx, the first time you actually use that button, it will ask you to authenticate yourself. So you will have to set up your Cisco WebEx using your Maricopa ID, MEID. What else? The announcements will, the latest 3 announcements will always show up at the top of our homepage. Currently, you'll see there's only been 1 announcement, and that is that the textbook solution is there for you. So ideally, this class, the way I teach is so that you understand the whys of what we're learning. Not just how to do it, but why is it so. If you can understand why you do something, you'll be able to recall. Your brain will better retain the information as to how it's done. Try not to be a mimic and memorize kind of person, because it won't get you far. It'll last maybe a couple weeks, and then whoosh, your brain does better when it understands the deeper meaning behind things. That's called critical thinking. So, for now, that's pretty much all I have to say, other than look for an announcement, because our first class is Tuesday at 9:30. Look for an announcement that will give you the link to join the meeting on Tuesday. I look forward to meeting you all, and hopefully you'll have a great rest of your weekend and get the tasks done in Module 0, hopefully before we meet. If not, you'll still have that Tuesday and the Wednesday. Have a great weekend and see you then. Bye-bye.